नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself, Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In previous session, we discussed about cardiac poisons, aconite and digitalis. Today we will continue with cardiac poisons and we will discuss Nicotiana tabacum. In this plant, except the ripe seeds, all parts are poisonous. The dried leaves, tobacco, tambaku, contains 1 to 8% of nicotine and are used to smoke or snuff or chewed. Alkaloid present are nicotine, anabasine, and non-nicotine. Its action is on autonomic ganglia, stimulating it initially but depressed and blocked at later stage. In its acute poisoning, it produces burning and acid sensation, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and hypersalivation. Affecting the cardiopulmonary system, it produces tachycardia, hypertension, tachypnea in early stage, and bradycardia, hypotension, respiratory depression in later stage. Cardiac arrhythmias may occur in its poisoning. In CNS, it produces miosis, excessive constriction of the pupil of the eye, confusion, headache, sweating, ataxia, agitation, restlessness, hypothermia in early stage, and in later stage it produces mydriasis, lethargy, convulsions, coma, and death may occur from respiratory failure. In chronic poisoning, it produces anorexia, vomiting, diarrhea. In central nervous system, tremors, impaired memory, amblyopia. It also causes blindness. It can also cause cough, wheezing, dyspnea, anemia, faintness, irregularity of the heart with extrasystole, and occasionally attacks of pain suggesting angina pectoris. Its fatal dose is 50 to 100 mg of nicotine and 15 to 30 grams of crude tobacco. Fatal period is 5 to 15 minutes. In the treatment, gastric lavage with warm water containing charcoal, tannin, or potassium permanganate is to be done. Purgatives and bowel evacuation is helpful. Mecamelamine is a specific antidote. Airway should be protected. Oxygen can be given. Vasodilators can be given, and symptomatic treatment for other symptoms. In postmortem appearance, findings are similar to asphyxia. Brownish froth at mouth and nostrils is seen. Hemorrhagic congestion of GI tract and pulmonary edema are seen. Remnants of leaf fragments may be found in stomach or it may smell like nicotine. Usually the circumstances of poisoning are accidental or suicidal or homicidal poisoning. Now the another cardiac poison, quinine. The bark of this plant is the main source of alkaloids. Quinine is white, needle-shaped, odorless crystals and has a bitter taste. Its active ingredients are quinine, cinchonidine, and other alkaloids. It has a strong protoplasmic poisoning effect with anesthetic and sclerosing action. It causes stimulation of CNS followed by depression. In its symptomatology, in ear it produces ringing, partial deafness. In eyes, it causes disorders of vision, fixed and dilated pupils. In GIT, it results in abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, affecting the central nervous system, produces headache, giddiness, confusion of thoughts, muscular weakness, and in skin it causes itching, erythematous or urticarial rash on the skin. In cardiovascular system, it produces methemoglobinemia, tachycardia, hypotension, cyanosis, delirium, and coma. Death may occur from respiratory failure. Synchronism or quinism. It is a result of repeated therapeutic or overdose of quinine. Symptoms are tinnitus, vertigo, deafness, diplopia, scotoma, blindness, skin rash, hypoglycemia, and cardiac arrhythmias. Its fatal dose is 8 to 15 grams and 4 to 6 grams of quinidine, and fatal period is 6 hours. Its treatment is gastric lavage, activated charcoal, IV fluids for diuresis, sodium bicarbonate to treat cardiac toxicity, oxygen, artificial oxygenation, blocking of bilateral stellate ganglion can be done to protect vision, and symptomatic treatment. In its postmortem finding, congestion of organs is seen, hemolysis of red cells, renal tubules may be blocked by hemoglobin. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.